Imagine a vast, sprawling rainforest teeming with life. The canopy is a vibrant tapestry of green, stretching as far as the eye can see, a world unto itself. Monkeys swing through the canopy, their calls echoing through the trees. They are the acrobats of this lush world, moving with grace and agility. Insects hum, birds sing, and hidden among the leaves, a virus silently exists. This virus, unseen and unheard, is part of the intricate web of life in the rainforest. This is the story of monkeypox, a virus once confined to these remote corners of the world, now making headlines across the globe. It was a virus that few had heard of, but it was always there, lurking in the shadows. For decades, monkeypox remained largely unknown outside of Africa. It was a disease that affected animals more than humans, a distant concern for most of the world. It was a disease of animals, rarely affecting humans. The monkeys, the primary host, carried on with their lives, unaware of the virus they harbored. But as the world changed, so too did the virus's reach. Urbanization and deforestation brought humans and wildlife into closer contact, creating new pathways for the virus to spread. Human activities pushed deeper into the rainforest, bringing people and animals into closer contact. The once impenetrable jungle was now a frontier for human expansion. The delicate balance of nature was disrupted, and the virus found new opportunities to spread. The rainforests, once a barrier, became a bridge for the virus to cross. The story of monkeypox is a reminder that we live in an interconnected world. What happens in one part of the world can have far-reaching consequences, affecting people and places far removed from the source. The actions we take, even in the most remote corners of our planet, can have ripple effects far beyond our immediate surroundings. Industrial activities, deforestation, and urbanization all play a role in the spread of diseases like monkeypox. It's a story of the delicate balance of nature and the consequences of disrupting it. Conservation efforts and the protection of natural habitats are crucial in maintaining this balance and preventing the spread of diseases. But it's also a story of human ingenuity, of our ability to understand and combat these threats. Through research, medical advancements, and global cooperation, we can address the challenges posed by emerging viruses and protect public health. Monkeypox, the name itself, conjures up images of exotic animals and faraway lands, places teeming with wildlife and mystery. And indeed, the virus was first discovered in monkeys, hence its name. It was a time when our understanding of viruses was still in its infancy. But monkeypox isn't just a disease of monkeys. It has a much broader host range. It can infect a range of animals, and, crucially, it can also infect humans. This cross-species transmission is what makes it particularly concerning. The virus was first identified in 1958 in laboratory monkeys in Denmark, hence the name monkeypox. This discovery marked the beginning of a long journey to understand the virus. However, monkeys are not the primary carriers of the virus in the wild. They are more like accidental hosts. Scientists believe that rodents like squirrels and rats are the natural reservoir for monkeypox. These small mammals play a crucial role in the virus's life cycle. These animals can carry the virus without showing symptoms, making them silent spreaders. This asymptomatic carriage complicates efforts to control the virus. The name might seem a bit misleading, but it reflects the early days of our understanding of this virus. Back then, naming conventions were often based on the first observed cases. As we delve deeper into the world of monkeypox, we'll see how it jumps from animals to humans, and how it spreads from person to person. This zoonotic transmission is a key area of study. It's a complex journey, but one that's crucial to understand if we want to effectively combat this emerging health threat. Understanding the virus's origins, transmission, and impact on different species is essential for developing effective countermeasures. The rainforest, a place of incredible biodiversity, is also a melting pot for viruses. Here, different species live in close proximity, creating opportunities for viruses to jump from one animal to another. This is how monkeypox likely made the leap from its rodent hosts to humans. Imagine a farmer clearing land for crops, unknowingly disturbing a rodent burrow infected with monkeypox, or a hunter handling an infected animal, unaware of the danger lurking within. These are the scenarios where the virus can cross the species barrier, infecting humans who come into contact with infected animals or their bodily fluids. Once the virus jumps to humans, it can spread from person to person through close contact. This can happen through direct contact with the infectious rash, contact with contaminated materials like clothing or bedding, or through respiratory droplets during prolonged face-to-face contact. For decades, monkeypox outbreaks were largely confined to Central and West Africa. These regions, with their dense rainforests and diverse wildlife, provided the perfect environment for the virus to thrive. The virus was primarily transmitted from animals to humans, with occasional human-to-human transmission. These outbreaks, though concerning, remained relatively small and isolated. The affected communities were often remote, with limited access to healthcare and resources, making it challenging to track and contain the virus effectively. However, in 2003, something unprecedented happened. Monkeypox crossed the Atlantic Ocean, appearing in the United States. This marked the first time the virus had been detected outside of Africa, raising alarm among health officials and the public alike. The outbreak was linked to pet prairie dogs that had been housed with infected rodents imported from Ghana. These rodents, carrying the virus, had been part of the exotic pet trade, which facilitated the virus's jump across continents. This event highlighted the potential for monkeypox to spread beyond Africa through the global trade of animals. The interconnected nature of our world means that diseases can travel vast distances, hitching rides with animals, goods, and even people. It was a wake-up call, demonstrating that a virus once confined to remote regions could quickly find its way to new corners of the world. The rapid spread underscored the importance of vigilant monitoring and swift response to emerging infectious diseases. The 2003 outbreak was eventually contained, but it served as a stark reminder of our interconnected world. Health officials worked tirelessly to trace contacts, isolate cases, and prevent further spread, showcasing the importance of global cooperation in managing health crises. The increasing globalization of trade and travel means that diseases can spread more quickly and easily than ever before. With millions of people and goods moving across borders daily, the potential for new outbreaks is ever present. This interconnectedness makes it crucial to understand and monitor diseases like monkeypox, even if they seem geographically distant. By staying vigilant and investing in global health infrastructure, we can better prepare for and respond to future outbreaks, protecting communities worldwide.